Hello beta. In this class, now we are going to discuss our fourth important SAQ, very simple and conceptual topic. Listen carefully. Now coming to the fifth question in our thermal properties of matter. Fifth SAQ, 4 marks question, very simple one. Pendulum clocks generally go fast in winter and slow in summer. Actually, this situation happens in extreme cold countries and extreme hot countries only. In normal countries, we cannot observe this small difference. Now coming to this one. So, why the pendulum clocks go fast in winter and slow in summer? What is the reason? Now we will discuss in clear. Now coming to this one. We know that time period of a simple pendulum or pendulum clock is given by, that is we know that T equal to 2 pi under root of L by G. On a given planet, let us take our planet Earth. So 2 pi is a constant and acceleration due to gravity is approximately constant throughout the surface of the earth, and therefore the time period of a given pendulum clock is directly proportional to the square root of the length of the pendulum only, whereas 2 pi and G are constant only. That's why we can write, that's why the time period of a pendulum is directly proportional to the square root of the length of the pendulum. So now in winter, what will happen? Metals generally will contract. Slightly the length of the pendulum decreases. Slightly the length of the pendulum decreases. Therefore, time period decreases. Time period is decreasing. Time period is decreasing means what? The clock is ticking more number of seconds in a given day. That's why it moves fastly. Understood now? I repeat once again. In winter, the length of the pendulum decreases. Means obviously the time period, corresponding time period of the simple pendulum or pendulum clock also decreases. In a given day, the clock makes more number of seconds. That's why it moves fastly. In summer, the length of the pendulum increases. Therefore, time period increases. It won't make number of required seconds in a given one day. That's why what will happen? The watch means our clock moves slowly. This is the main concept. We need to write the narration. That is important presentation. Now, I will explain little bit in detail in the next page with help of equations. Now, coming to this one. In winter beta, the length of the pendulum generally decreases. Why? Because whenever temperature decreases, we know that metals contracts. So, since time period is inversely proportional to the, time period is directly proportional to the square root of the length of the pendulum. That's why whenever this length is decreasing, time period is also decreasing. Therefore, so in winter, clock moves fastly. Why? Because it is making more number of seconds in a given day. That's why it appears that it is making more number of seconds and moves fastly. In summer, so we know that means the metals expands, so the length of the pendulum increases. Since we know that the time period of the length of the pendulum is directly proportional to the square root of its length only. As the length is increasing, time period is also increasing. Whenever its time period is increasing, so it is making less number of seconds in a given day. That's why it moves slowly. That's why pendulum clock moves slowly in summer and it moves fastly in winter. This one we need to write with proper wording. Only one simple thing, but I repeat once again. So we know that the time period of a pendulum clock is equal to 2 pi under root Lg. On a given planet or on the earth, the 2 pi and acceleration due to gravity are constant only. Therefore, time period is directly proportional to the length of the pendulum only. Okay. Now, in this manner, so that's why in winter, as the metals contracts, length decreases, time period decreases, so it makes more number of seconds. That's why clock moves fastly. In summer, length increases, time period increases. That's why the clock will make less number of seconds. That's why clock moves slowly in summer. It moves fastly in winter. It moves slowly in summer. We need to present like this. Very simple question. Proper wordings are required. However, you can make a note of these shortcuts and prepare some notes. Thank you.